Hello, everyone. My name is Tashina Anderson, and I'm a Diamond Senior Vice President with FabLinks. Today, I'm going to be going over a training to introduce you to some of the websites that you're going to be using as you're building your business. So let's have some fun, and hopefully maybe you can have your laptop pulled up already, and you can kind of search things as I'm giving you the information. But in the meantime, let me share my screen with you so that we can get right into it. 1 second. All right. So the first thing we're going to look at is your virtual office. And you get to your virtual office, which is for your eyes only. Your virtual office is something private. Your money's back there. All the good stuff is back there. So how do you get to it? Well, write this down. You go to www.5links.com, the number 5, linx.com. So I'm already here. I'm on the 5links website. You scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to click on right here where it says Rep Login. As soon as you click on Rep Login, it's going to ask you for your RIN number and your password. Your RIN number should have been sent to you in an email as soon as you signed into the business. So it starts with the letter L. You put your RIN number in, your password. It starts off as the last 4 digits of your social, and then you can also change it later. Then we're going to get into your virtual office. So this is what your virtual office looks like. Let me point out some things so that you're familiar with it. Some things that you want to first start in is our 5links TV. You can see it up here, and it's also over here on the left-hand side. When you click in it, you're going to see a lot of pre-recorded trainings from national conventions, as well as trainings to help you get quick started with your business, things from the corporate staff, from some of the top leaders, everything from customer acquisition to how to build your business successfully. You name it, it's back there. Take some time, take a whole Saturday. Instead of Netflix and chill, 5links and chill. Watch some videos, get informed about your business, and there's tons and tons of stuff for you to learn. Some other things that's important for you to know that's in your virtual office is under services. This is where you'll be able to sign up for your platinum services if you haven't had a chance to do so. Also, you'll be able to sign up for your national convention ticket. We'll talk a little bit about that and on the next website that we go to. Some other things you want to look at on this website is opportunity. And opportunity, when you click in here, and I'm just going to click in here so you can see it, it's just showing you a lot of things that are PDF formats, everything from compensation plans that you should print out. My suggestion is to look through here and just start clicking on stuff, learning what the business is about. If you take a look under opportunity, you'll also see a lot of the different products that we sell. So each time you click on a product, whether it's, for instance, let's just say Captivita, you're going to see frequently asked questions with almost every product. It's going to have more information, PDFs, things that you can print out, things that you can learn about the product so you can become familiar. You obviously want to take some time to read through things so that you can be knowledgeable as you're going out there and sharing the different products with individuals. Another one is compensation. So this is the one I know for me, I want to become the most familiar with. Some things that I think is important for you to print out on here, our 5links product portfolio, as well as you should see our opportunity presentations are great for you to print out, and so much more things, but just go through it, a compensation, opportunity, all of these different products you want to take a look at. Some other things you want to click on is right here, products. So it's going to take you to the same thing, right? But again, you'll click over on the products and you'll be able to click on each one to get the information that you need. Now here's my favorite one in the virtual office, which is reports. Reports, reports, reports. So reports basically, when you click on this, this is going to start to show you everything that goes on in your organization. Some of my favorite reports that I would take a look at if I was you as I'm getting started is the Customer Club report. It's the first report on the list, and it shows you if you're qualified for the Customer Club. Now, that just basically means that's an extra bonus that the company pays out, depending on how many customers that have a certain amount of CV, and it adds up to a dollar amount where you can get paid out every single month. So become familiar with the Customer Club. Some other things that I'm very fond of is our running account balance. Now, I'm not going to click on mine, but let's just say it's nice. The running account balance is what's on there, and that shows you your money. We get paid weekly, and we get our residuals once a month, which is on our 15th of the month check. Some other things to look at is our position report, which shows you how close you are to getting to the next position and what your qualifications that you've obtained and the ones that you still need to get. Another one is your personal customer report. So as you're trying to get your bonus in your first 30 days, the personal customer report is what is going to show you what you have personally, meaning customers that I've even purchased from my own home or customers that I've gone out and I sold the product to myself. Nothing from my team, just with the work that I've done. So you want to take some time and look through all the reports, get a good feel for them, especially as you bring new people in, so that you know when you get paid, how you get paid, and what everything looks like. So these are just some, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And these are just some things that I say in the virtual office that I feel like are great things and that you should be looking at daily with your business. Now, we're going to go over to another website. Let's see. So I'm going to click on it up here. It's not here, but we're going to go to my.5links.com. So if you're not familiar with this site, write it down, my.5links.com, my.5linx.com. This is a great website. You can get access to all the TV that's in the virtual office, important documents, promotions that come out every single month, and events. So whatever the new promos are for the month, you can click here and you can get access to all of them, whether we have any extra points on products, any extra money on things, holiday promotions that are taking place. It tells you the details of everything, the date that they start, the date that they expire. So you want to know, this is always updated at the beginning of the month. So you definitely want to visit this maybe around the 1st or the 2nd of the month so that you can see what the new promotions are. The next thing you want to do, if you haven't done it already, is get yourself ready to go to our national event, our international event, which we have every year. We have several a year. And the next one we have coming up is in 2020, April of 2020 in Biloxi, Mississippi. So you can always find information here about the location, the address. As it gets closer, you'll be able to not only just register online for it, but you'll also be able to get the hotels that the company will have discounts for that you can get to be close to the venue. The next website we are going to go to is your website. Now, this is the website that anyone you can send to. You can send your customers to this website. This is how you're going to sign people into the business and have access to the products that we sell. So if you take a look at this, the first thing I see right here is opportunity. If you click on opportunity, you could click on start your business, and this is how you get new business partners started. It shows you the 4 belief bundles that we have that you can get someone started with. You can click the one that they want to join with, and then you can put their information in the system. Now, me, myself, personally, I like to get the information from someone who is a potential partner, and I like to put them in the system myself. Also on your website, you'll be able to see products. So you'll be able to see all the products that are here. The great thing about this is I say you can click on things, start to look at pricing for certain things, start to look at how you can go into it, start filling out the information so that you have an understanding of what is needed from the customer so you can have good conversations with people. I love this website because I feel like it's a good mix of showing a little bit of our lifestyle. It's very professional, and you can send your customer to this website. Now, me, myself personally, again, even though I can send my customer to my website, and if I'm with them in person, I'll show them my website and show them how it works. I still like to put my customers in the system myself, meaning I like to get their information and just go in and just tell them how much something costs and the process, when they'll get it, and what all is involved. The best way for me to know how to know all of these things is I've pretty much tried every product that we have, whether I still have it every single month or whether I've tried it in the past. What it's helped me to do is to understand the process. So this is a great way for you to learn, is to try the products yourself. That way you can tell them exactly what they need to do to get started. Now, one of the products websites I'm going to take you to is the CBD website. Now, currently right now, Oxygen is our CBD brand. If you click on this right here, it's going to take you to where you see Oxygen, and it's going to say buy now, and you click on buy now. And what it does is it takes us to our eRewards website. Now, this website, as I'm speaking, is being phased out. So this is our old Oxygen platform, but it still works. And so if you click on it from your 5 Links website, you're going to go to our eRewards website. You can order CBD products from this website. It has all the functions of our new website. It's just an older version. So we've upgraded right now. And just know, if you want to send someone to purchase CBD, they can go to your oxygen.com website. Now, when you see oxygen.com, which it doesn't show here, so I'm just gonna delete it out so that you can see it for yourself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in oxygen.com / and your RIN number. So that's how you get to your Oxygen website. You're going to put the oxygen.com / and your RIN number. It should immediately come up and you should see a guest of and your RIN number right there. That way that your customer knows they're on your website, because guess what? Everyone's website actually looks the same. Now, I want to walk you through some things to be very familiar with on this website. First off, you're going to get this new CBD website. It's going to have different categories. So if your person is looking for coffee or tea, pain relief, skincare, or wellness, they could click on any one of these categories. It also has a featured product section. So these are some of our new products. We have gummies, our new products. It even has the Intense Relief, which was our first CBD product that we originally brought onto the company. The tinctures, which people absolutely love, and my favorite of all the products is the 1500 milligram tincture. I also love our Go Baby and our Choco Face Rub. These are just my favorites, along with the body butter. Now, so that's the features. So let's go over a few things. Let's just say, for instance, you want to suggest to someone to purchase the 1500 milligram tincture, right? So some things you're going to do is either you can send them the website, oxygen.com / and your RIN number, or you can click on the product. But what you want to notice is that at the top, your RIN number is no longer there. So you don't want to copy and paste and send them this, because whether you're on your phone or you're on a computer, it's important to make sure your RIN number is always in the URL. So what you're going to do is you're going to just add a / and then you're going to put L and your RIN number back in. And then you're going to copy and paste and send that over to your customer to make sure that you get credit for it. So either, again, remember, if you want to just send them a specific product for them to sign up for, you can either send them this, but you have to put your RIN number behind it, or you can send them straight to the first page and they could just click on whatever they like, and that you'll still get credit for that as well. Some things to take a look at when you click on the product is we have a one-time supply and also a monthly auto ship. When someone clicks the monthly auto ship, they get an additional 5% off. We also give customers that spend over 99 bucks, we give them free shipping. So make sure that your customer knows that there's a great description of each product when they click on it. It tells them exactly the ingredients that's in the product. And it also gives them customers also bought selection at the bottom. Now, some things for you to know is if your customer goes and they add this to the cart. I'm just going to give you an example. What's going to happen is they're going to then go over to their shopping cart. You could go to your shopping cart. And I already have a few items in my cart. So what they're going to do next is they're going to go to checkout. And if they're a new customer, they're going to click on register. The great thing about when they register, I'm just going to click on it so you can see it. It's just going to tell them their gender, name, just a few questions, date of birth, email. Date of birth, obviously, because they want to make sure a person's a certain age. Email address, phone number, and then they're going to create a password. The reason for this is this gives your customer control. They don't have to call the corporate office, and if they ever want to cancel the product, or if they ever want to change anything or add anything to their order. All they have to do is go back to your oxygen.com website. They click the login, they put their email address in, and they put their password in, and they'll get access to their login information. They can also, I think I mentioned this, but they can add on to their order, and they can pause their order as well as cancel their order when they do this. Some other things that I want you to take a look at is on this website, if you click on CBD products, right over here, you'll have different categories. Some of the categories you're going to want to take a look at is bundles. Now, when you're trying to qualify for the customer club, there are important things for you to know. Any bundle that has CCQ, customer club qualifier, counts towards the customer club. If it does not have CCQ next to it, it means it does not count towards your customer club numbers. You still might want it. It still might be a great buy, but just know it doesn't count towards the customer club. Some other things to take note of is apparel. As you're going out and building your business, you might want to have the Oxygen branded logos on your clothes. So whether you're getting an Oxygen t-shirt, sweatshirt, or even a bag to carry all of your products, this is where you can find it. Under marketing materials on the Oxygen website, you're going to find everything from banners to brochures that you need to build your business. These are great for vendor events, great for home meetings, and even hotel meetings that you might do for your business. Okay. All right, so with that being said, I just wanted to walk you through your virtual office, your website, my.5links.com, and your oxygen.com website so you can become familiar. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you and working with you in the future. Again, my name is Tashina Anderson, and it was a pleasure going through all of your websites and helping you to get adjusted to your new network marketing 5 Links business. Have a great day.